In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eBay International Shipping for your listings and orders. If you want to sell to buyers in other countries without managing the complicated parts of international shipping yourself, this is a very useful option. eBay International Shipping is designed to simplify the process by letting you send your sold item to a domestic shipping hub first. From there, eBay takes care of the customs paperwork and the international delivery. That means less hassle for you and a smoother experience when expanding your reach to more buyers. To get started, go to your account settings page. Once you're there, look for shipping preferences. This is where you can control how your shipping options work across your account. Inside that section, find the eBay International Shipping program and click Enroll to opt in. This step is important because until you enroll, the option may not be available for your listings. After you've joined the program, the next step is to create a new listing or edit an existing one. As you review your shipping settings for that item, make sure eBay International Shipping is selected as the default international option. This helps ensure that eligible international buyers can see the item and place orders through the program. It's a good idea to double check this before publishing your listing, especially if you're updating older listings that may still have different shipping settings attached. Once an item sells through the program, eBay will provide a domestic shipping hub address on the order printout. When you're preparing the order, send the package directly to that address exactly as shown. Be careful to use the provided details accurately, since this hub is the destination you're responsible for shipping to. The packaging should still be secure and appropriate for the item because it will continue on to the buyer after reaching the hub. After the package is ready, drop it off with your local carrier. At that point, your part of the shipping process is essentially complete. eBay will handle the customs forms and take care of the international delivery from the hub to the buyer's destination. That's one of the biggest advantages of the program because it removes a lot of the complexity that usually comes with cross-border sales. By enrolling in eBay International Shipping, selecting it in your listings, and sending sold items to the domestic hub, you can offer international delivery in a much simpler way. It's an efficient setup that helps you reach more customers while keeping your workflow straightforward.